Alright guys, today I'm making a video about unboxing my Panasonic 4K HDR DP-UB820 I know it's a long name. It's a Blu-ray disc player from Panasonic, one of the best 4K Blu-ray players in the market. It's obviously from Panasonic, and 4K HDR Pro, Ultra HD Blu-ray, Ultra HD Premium HDR, and it has a HCX processor that gives you like a Hollywood cinema experience, 4K chroma upscaling, high-res audio, twin HDMI, wireless LAN built-in, internet apps, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. It has a Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Okay, I bought it from Amazon.com, and let's quick look at the box. Same, have you guys noticed it? Now Blu-ray players and the DVD players, they don't come with a display. This is one of the reasons I bought this. But at least you can see what exactly is going on with your Blu-ray player. Nowadays, none of the Blu-ray players come with a display, and it just it's hard to say what to tell what's exactly going on. But this one has a display. Really like that one. Dolby Vision, HDR 10 Plus, Ultra Premium HD. Back of the box, some numbers and letters. Side view. On the other side is exactly the same thing as the other side. So that's the box right here. So let me open this box up and let's see what's inside. Pop the box open. So inside the box, owner's manual of the Blu-ray player, and behind the cardboard box right here, remote, nice looking remote. What else? Now the Blu-ray player itself. It's a Blu-ray player, nicely packaged. Oof, look at this, beautiful. Plastic, glossy plastic. Looks like an open-close button right on top with a power button right here. Ultra HD Blu-ray. There's a front view, very shiny. Look at this, aluminum bottom, and the back. Subwoofers, audio, surround, USB, power LAN, audio out, and video out. Power cable right here. Looks like there's a fan. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, this is one of the best Blu-ray players available in the market. That's the only reason I got it. So I'm gonna hook it up to my TV and see how good it looks. But unfortunately, my setup is not complete yet. This is just an unboxing experience, and that should be it for the video. Thank you so much.